Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty Group.
You guys are now in another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest with us today. We're going to...
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty, Keller Williams Realty Group, coming to you today with another 3Rivers local housing market report for June 25th, 2025. And it definitely looks like up arrows are beating down arrows. Got some significant downs though that are actually ups, but an up in it means a down. So sometimes up is down, sometimes down is up. We're going to go through that. We saw active available listings up 4% week over week, which is a good thing. That's a good up 40% year over year. New listings were up 16%, which means more inventory. But we're seeing by active only going up 4% and new going up 16%. Buyer demand is still stripping inventory. We're seeing and up 16% week over week on those new listings and up 14% year over year. Solds were down 2% week over week, up 8% year over year. Pendings were up 29% week over week, up 9% year over year. Median sale price came in up again. So we're showing appreciation again. We've been seeing a softening and some depreciation over the last 3 months, but we showed strong appreciation over the last 7 days. Came in at 290,000, showing 8% up week over week versus the number last year, which was 267,850. And we're seeing over the last rolling 12 months, we're showing about 250,000 median versus last year was 240. So showing about 4% appreciation over the last 12 months rolling. Days on market is where we're seeing an up that's a bad up. The average was up 10 days from last week. So we're up to 38 average, and the median was up 7 from 5 to 12. So we're 38 average, 12 median, and versus last year where we're at 31 and 7 median. So a little bit slower than last year on the market, but we're still seeing it move. So what's that tell us? We're still slowing. Possibly this is crash everybody's been waiting for. We will see. We report, you decide. Last 12 months homes sold came in at 4,403 versus last year where it was 4,335, showing about 1.5% up. And remember that last year wasn't our recession year. 2023 was our lowest home sold in a decade here in the Fort Wayne, 3Rivers market area around Wayne. So we're still seeing to get a true balanced inventory, in my opinion, 6 months inventory. Although at 3 months, they do count it. We're getting into balanced market. We are still in a seller's market, still got about 3.2 buyers per listing, sitting at right about 2 months inventory. So 682 available. We need to get to 1,100 to be at 3 months inventory, which is where we start to get to a balanced market. So we're still well short of that, but that is the numbers in a nutshell. Feel free to reach out to us if you need anything. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.